Hello my friends! Welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me yet, I am GUMAMELA. How are you? I hope you are all fine. For now, I am going to show you on how to make a hibiscus or GUMAMELA tea. Okay, so what we are going to do is to first wash the GUMAMELA that we have picked, or I have here a picked GUMAMELA already. Okay. After washing this GUMAMELA flowers or hibiscus flowers, I am going to put this on a boiling water. I have here already boiling water with an estimated amount of 2 cups. So I will put now the washed flowers of hibiscus. Okay, then I will cover this, and I cook this on a stainless because usually if we make or cook medicinal plants like this or medicinal flower like this GUMAMELA, we use stainless so that the elements that are present on the plants, flowers or leaves will not be damaged, because so we are using this stainless one. Okay, not the aluminum utensil. Okay, we'll cover. We will do this boiling for at least 20 minutes. We are through of boiling for 20 minutes. We will let this cool down for around say 10 minutes and put on a glass pitcher. Okay, so I will take this now. While we are waiting this GUMAMELA tea to cool down, let's talk first about the benefits we can get from the hibiscus tea or the GUMAMELA tea. Hibiscus has been used by different cultures as a remedy for several conditions. Egyptians used hibiscus tea to lower body temperature, treat heart and nerve diseases, and as a diuretic to increase urine production. In Africa, hibiscus tea was used to treat constipation, cancer, liver disease, and cold symptoms. Application and use of GUMAMELA. Decoction is used to treat bronchitis, coughs, fever, dysentery, urinary and bladder infections, and high blood pressure. So actually I am drinking this always because I am experiencing a high blood pressure or hypertension. Okay, the hotness is enough for us to drink this, so I will try. I will try to show you. But actually, I am drinking this already before. Nice. It really tastes like a tea. Nice tea. If you want, you can also add sugar, but it is already a little bit sweet. But if you're conscious that you are, or you want to be, I mean to avoid with sugar, you can drink plainly like this because the taste is also very nice. Okay? Best tea ever. The best. Okay? That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed our video for today and you learned something. But you know, I always forget to tell our viewers, my beloved viewers, to also subscribe, share if you like my video, and leave a comment so that I may also know your reactions. So, bye bye and see you on my next video. God bless. Picture lang.
Picture lang?
Hindi, picture pa lang, ano eh.